The relationship between war and religion is deep, complex, and often controversial. Throughout history, religion has played roles both in promoting peace and justifying conflict. Below is a detailed breakdown of how religion and war have interacted across time, along with some important distinctions and examples. Religion as a cause of war. Holy wars. These are wars explicitly fought in the name of religion, often to defend or spread a faith. Crusades, Christian European powers, launched military campaigns to reclaim the Holy Land from Muslim control. The Pope promised spiritual rewards like forgiveness of sins for participants. Jihad. In some Islamic contexts, while jihad primarily refers to spiritual struggle, it has also been used historically to justify military action in defense or expansion of Islam. Sectarian conflicts. Conflicts within a single religion due to differing interpretations, sects or leadership claims. Sunni versus Shia Islam. Ongoing tension and conflict, notably in countries like Iraq, Syria, and Yemen. Catholic versus Protestant. The 30 Years' War devastated Central Europe and had both political and religious motivations. Religion as a justification for war. Even when religion is not the root cause, it is often used to legitimize leaders and authority, for example, the divine right of kings. Unify people under a moral cause, portraying the enemy as evil or infidels. Sanctify violence as part of a divine mission or prophecy. The concept of manifest destiny in the United States justified westward expansion as a God-given right, which led to war with Mexico and displacement of native peoples. Religion as a force for peace. Religious texts and leaders often advocate peace, compassion, and non-violence. Jesus Christ, blessed are the peacemakers. Sermon on the Mount, Christianity. Buddhism, ahimsa, or non-harming, is a central doctrine. Islam, if they incline to peace, then incline to it also. Quran 8:61. Religious peace movements, Quakers, also known as the Society of Friends, are known for pacifism and opposition to war. The Dalai Lama promotes non-violence and global compassion. Interfaith dialogue initiatives work to reduce tensions and promote peace between religious communities. War influencing religion. Reformation and counter-reformation. Political upheavals during war changed church structures and doctrines. Post-World War II theology led to major theological reflections on evil, suffering, and the role of the church, such as German churches confronting Nazi collaboration. Philosophical and theological debates have long grappled with the moral implications of war. Just war theory, rooted in Christianity, originated with Augustine and was refined by Thomas Aquinas. It sets criteria for when war can be morally justified: just cause, legitimate authority, right intention, proportionality, and last resort. On the other hand, many religious traditions include strands of pacifism. Christian pacifists are inspired by Jesus' teachings on turning the other cheek, while Buddhists emphasize non-violence as a core principle. While most modern wars are driven by political and economic factors, religion can still inflame tensions. Take ISIS and extremist terrorism, for instance. Religious language is often used to justify violence, though the motivations are frequently geopolitical. In Myanmar, the Buddhist majority government has been accused of persecuting the Muslim Rohingya minority. And in Nigeria, there are ongoing tensions between Boko Haram and Christian Muslim communities in the north and south. Religion can be both a weapon and a salve in the context of war. It has inspired great acts of courage and compassion, but also justified terrible violence. Understanding the role of religion in war requires acknowledging its dual capacity as a source of identity, meaning, and moral action, and sometimes a tool for division and domination. Would you like a timeline or visual map of major religious conflicts in history? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and educational videos.